Hello friends, welcome to Trishul Defence Academy. All battalions and squadrons at National Defence Academy. The National Defence Academy is one of India's iconic and prestigious institutions located in Khadakwasla, Pune, Maharashtra. Moreover, it is the first three services academy in the world where cadets of all the three services, the Army, the Navy and the Air Force, train together before they go on to respective services academy for further pre-commission training. The grace and grant of NDA are clear for the fact itself that till now NDA has also produced 27 service chiefs of staff and in addition to that 3 Paramveer Chakra recipients and 12 Ashok Chakra recipients. Apart from the training, cadets are also set for studies where they pursuing their graduation with BA, BSc or BCS degree from Jawaharlal Nehru University. The roots of NDA lies back in history during the end of World War II when Field Marshal Claude, then Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, watched and experienced the performance of the Army during the war, came up with a committee and submitted a report to the Government of India. The committee had underlined the need for jointness in modern warfare, as it was correctly believed that it is primarily the element of teamwork that provides the significant edges in a conflict situation. Before the plans in 1941, India also received 1 lakh from the grateful Sudanese government to build a war memorial to commemorate the Indian troops' sacrifice in the Second World War, where the Indian Army decided to use these funds to cover the cost of construction of the NDA partly. Later, the foundation stone of NDA was laid by then the Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, on 6 October 1949, and it got commissioned finally on 7 December 1954 with an inauguration ceremony held on 16 January 1950. With a large number of cadets joining NDA twice a year, it becomes a little hard to manage things. So for a simplified version, there are 5 battalions and 18 squadrons in the academy. On the reporting day, cadets are allotted to one of the 18 squadrons, which then becomes their home for the next 3 years. Battalions are not given, they are treated as Tiger, Dolphin, Eagle, Abhimanyu and Hawks. Furthermore, these battalions contain 18 squadrons in them which individually have their unique nickname and individual identity with a richly textured history and mascot. Here are the various squadrons and the traditions they have. Number 1 Battalion ABCD, Alpha Squadron, Bravo Squadron, Charlie Squadron, Delta Squadron. Number 2 Battalion EFGH, Isco Squadron, Foxtrot Squadron, Golf Squadron, Hunter Squadron. Number 3 Battalion IGKL, India Squadron, Juliet Squadron, Kilo Squadron, Lima Squadron. Number 4 Battalion MNOP, Mike Squadron, November Squadron, Oscar Squadron, Panther Squadron. Number 5 Battalion Quebec Squadron, Romeo Squadron. Here each squadrons comprise approximately 100 to 120 cadets from a mixture of senior and juniors under training in the academy. These squadrons comprise a diverse mixture of cadets for various landmarks of India who come together to cherish the bond of mutual trust and brotherhood among them. There is also a prestigious Inter-Squadron Championship trophy which is awarded to the best squadron, and the one who wins it has a proud tradition of procession of the champion banner for one term which is carried during the parade and other sports meet. Though the cadets get divided by squadron, their main motive lies in the NDA motto, service before self. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe bell icon. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.